Hey y'all, this is First Step Ministry. We are in Princeton, Kentucky, and we are fixing to unload this 15-foot U-Haul box van. And what a blessing this has been. God is truly, truly good to us. And we want to thank everybody that has been a part of this, everybody that has helped us, you know, to raise money, to get donations, and several things. And this is where we are right here. It says Pastors Together for Western Kentucky. And that's what it takes, church. It's all of us working together. Thank y'all so much for all your help. And as you can see, we've got help right here this morning. These guys are up and at it and ready to go. Brand new gas jug, paper towels, toilet paper, clothes, shoes, baby food, baby formula, household items, you name it, and we pretty much got it here on this van. But again, we appreciate everybody that gave. Terry and Stephanie Alton, we thank y'all so much. Thank y'all for everything you do. And thank y'all to everybody that was a part of this. You know, it takes us all working together. United in Faith Center in Athens, Tennessee. Living Water Ministry in Calhoun, Georgia. First Step Ministry from Old Fort, Tennessee, along with many other individuals, and Victory House of Faith from Knoxville, Tennessee. They are part of this as well. We don't want to leave anybody out. But again, it takes us all working together. And again, as you can see, they're moving, getting things unloaded. And again, we are here at Princeton, Kentucky. We are in Princeton, Kentucky. We spent the night up the road here, like 5 minutes from here. We got here late last night. So as soon as we get unloaded, we are heading back home, which is going to take us a good few hours. And again, I want to show y'all this sign here. Pastors Together for Western Kentucky Disaster Response. This is where we are right now in Princeton, Kentucky. And again, we want to say thank you to everybody.